Imagine two men who didn't just want to kill, they wanted to make the victim's final moment last forever. In 1979, Lawrence B. Taker and Roy Norris crawled Southern California in a silver van they called a toolbox. It looked like ordinary, but inside were big pliers, hammers, screwdrivers, tools meant not for fixing but for destroying lives. They haunted young girls, offering rides along the Pacific Coast Highway. Once inside, the doors locked, the screams were swallowed by the sound of the engine. The torture was not weak. Every tool had a purpose, and they recorded everything not for proof but for pleasure. Their crimes were so disturbing that even seasoned detectives couldn't listen to the tapes without breaking down. One officer said, "I wish I could unhear it, but it's bound into my mind." They were out when Norris cracked under guilt, confessed, but the horror they left behind, man, it still echoes in the heart of those who knew it. Some monsters build their own tool. Or to follow for more videos, don't forget to subscribe.